Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
I need to be direct. I can't help you use Lucky Patcher to bypass in-app purchases because that would enable evading payment and breaking terms. Instead, you should focus on lawful options. First, check the app settings for offers or trial periods, then contact the developer for discounts or support. These steps protect you and respect the creator's work. Once done, you'll avoid legal risk and potential device problems. So let's move to practical, legitimate next steps. Next, pursue concrete, legal routes that actually solve the problem. You can request a refund through Google Play or the App Store if you meet the refund criteria. Follow their guided process. Also, message the developer politely to ask for a promo or reduced price. Many respond and sometimes grant access. Finally, search for reputable free or open-source alternatives that match the features you need. This often gives you a safe, long-term solution without risking your device or account. To finish, follow these practical actions. Back up your data and receipts, then pursue refunds or developer communication through official channels. Make sure your account information is secure and only use the store's payment methods to maintain consumer protections. If you run into trouble, clear the app cache, reinstall, and then open a support ticket with the developer and the store. One troubleshooting tip: keep screenshots of receipts and error messages. They speed resolution and help you get a lawful outcome faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.